Good morning, student. Today I am going to start as some problems based on real life situations involving LCM. Means we can add in our daily life LCM as to solve the situation like questions. Some situations comes in our daily life. By this way, LCM we can solve the problems. So today I will solve problem based on real life situation involving LCM. So I hope you have finished your exercise self practice 3H in your fair copy. If you face any problem, you can contact me. It will be very easy, and you can watch video and you can solve other questions also. Today I am going to start some examples. Like that example number 25. Example 25. You see, in a walking competition, 3 persons step off together. Their steps measure 85 centimeter, 90 centimeter, and 80 centimeter respectively. Steps measures as steps measures 85 centimeter, 90 centimeter, 85 centimeter, 90 centimeter, and 80 centimeter. After that, asking question: at what distance from the starting point will they again step off together? When? At what distance from the starting point will they again step off together? Means they can step up together at what distance? In this situation, you can find out the required distance is the LCM of 85, 90 and 80. So, required distance is the LCM of 85, 90 and 80 centimeters. So you can find out LCM of 85, 90 and 80. 85, 90 and 80. You can find out LCM. You can take smallest prime number as 2. 85 is not divisible by 2. You can write as it is 85, and 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10, 45. If you divide 90 by 2, it will come 45. If you divide 80 by 2, it will come 40. 2 4 is 8 and 0 here. After that, you can again divide by 2. You can write 85 as it is because 85 is not divisible by 2. 45 is also not divisible by 2, but 40 is divisible by 2. 2 2 is 4 and 0. After that, by 2 again you can divide. 85 to write as it is, 45 also. By 2 times is 20. By 2 again you can divide. 85, 45 and 2 5 is 10. After that, you can divide by 5. 5, 17 is 17, 5 is 85, 5, 9 is 45, 5 1 is 5. Again by 3 you can divide. 17 cannot be divisible by 3. You can write as it is 17 and 3 3 is 9 and 1 here. You can see now 3 is divisible by 3, 17 is divisible by 17. So directly you can take multiplication together and to find out LCM. So LCM is equal to 2 how many times here? 4 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 one time and 5 one time and 17 one time. If you multiply together, it will come 12,240 12,240 per centimeter. So this is centimeter. As changing meter, also you can divide by 100. It will come, you can divide by 100. So 40 divide by 100 is equal to 122 meter and 40 centimeter. 122 meter and 40 centimeter it will come. So they will take a step as together the three persons will again step off together at a distance of 12,200 centimeter, or you can say as changing in meter and centimeter as 122 meter and 40 centimeter. So like this you can solve the questions. In this way you can solve example 26, 27, 28 also. 26, see, three bells ring simultaneously at 11 am. They ring at regular intervals of 20 minutes, 30 minutes and 40 minutes respectively. Find the time when all the three will ring together again. So all the three bells ring together again. So you can find out as LCM of 20, 30 and 40. You can find out LCM of 20, 30 and 40. So you can have LCM 120. You can change 120 minutes into hours. So 2 hours it will come, because 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour and 120 minutes is equal to 2 hours. So it is clear. So bell will ring simultaneously at ring after 2 hours, that is 2 hours after 11 and 2. So 11 hours plus 2 hours you can add, it will come as 1 p.m. So ring will bell again at 1 p.m. As example 27 also you can solve. Find the least number which when divided separately by 15, 20, 36 and 48 leaves 3 as remainder in each case. So remainder, so in each case remainder is 3. So at least you can take all the numbers as 15, 20, 36 and 48. If you add as plus 3 in the LCM of that number, so it may be possible that required number what is it? Because as you know, LCM is such numbers that is divided by the given numbers. So it will come exact division. Remainder not there. But as in each case it is coming remainder as 3. So after taking the LCM, you can find out the LCM. After finding the LCM, you can add 3 in the LCM, so you can get the answer. So see this example. So example number 27 you see, this is very good question. Find the least number which when divided separately by 15, 20 and 36 and 48 leaves 3 as remainder in each case. So firstly, required number means what is solution? Required number is equal to the LCM of the numbers, plus 3. The LCM of the numbers plus 3. Firstly, find out the LCM of the numbers. So LCM of 15, 20, 36, 15, 20, 36 and 48. You can see LCM 15, 20, 36 and 48. You can divide by smallest number 2 by 2. 15 is not visible, so you can write as it is 15, 20, 2 tens are 20, 10 and 2 18s are 36 and 2 24s are 48. Again you can divide by 2. 15 is not divisible by 2. 2 5s are 10, 5, 2 9s are 18 and 2 12s are 24. After that you can divide by 2 again. 15 as it is, 5, 9 and 2 6 are 12. By 2 again you can divide 15, 5, 9, you write 2 3 are 6. 3. Again by 3 you can divide. You can divide by 3. 4 column you can make 1, 2, 3, 4. So again divide by 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. 5 as it is you can write. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Again you can divide by 3. 5 5 3 1s are 3. Again by 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5 and 1. So you can find out LCM as LCM of this number. LCM is equal to 2 how times 1 2 3 4. 4 times 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So you can see 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8 2 ja 8 2 ja 16 16 3 ja 16 3 ja 48 48 3 ja. You can see 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8 8 2 ja 16 16 3 ja 48 and after that you can do 3 and 5 here. 3 how many times you can write? 3 you can write only one time here. You can write only one time here because 5 on the here you can write one time. 3 again. Here you have 15, 5, 9 and 3. 15, 5, 9 and 3. So by 3 you can divide this. 3 5 is 15. 5 you can write as it is and 3 3 is 9. 3 1 is 3. Again by 3 you can divide. 5 as it is you can write. 5 as it is you can write. 3 1 is 3. 3 1 is 3. After that 5. 1 1 1 1. So 3 into 3 into 5. So it is coming 2 times 3. I have written already 3 into 3. But here you can see 15 is not divisible by 2, 5 also is not divisible by 2 and 9 is divisible by 3 and 6 is also divisible by 3. So 2 3 are 6. So you can approach this 3. So by 3, 3 5 are 15. 3 5 are, you can write 5 as it is, but here 9 is there. So 9 is there. After that, you can write 3 here also. So 4 times 2 and 2 times 3 and 5. So in this way you can solve example number 26, example number 27, that is 36, 15, 20, 36 and 48. So you can write here. So LCM 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 3 ja 48, 48 3 ja, you can multiply 48 3 ja, 3 is the 24, 4 here 2 carry, 3 4 the 12 and 2, 12 and 2 14, 144. After that 144 multiply by 5, 144 multiply by 5, you can see 5 for the 20, 0 2 carry, 5 for the 20 and 2, 22, 2 carry, 5 on the 5 and 2 7, 720. So you can write 720 as numbers. So required number what is LCM? I have written here formula for the LCM of the number and plus 3. So you can write required number. Required number is equal to LCM plus 3. LCM is 720 and plus 3, 723. So 723 is the answer. 723 is the answer because asking question that leave 3 as remainder in each case. So in this way you can solve the question. Firstly you can find out the LCM of 15, 20 and 36 and 48. After finding the LCM in this way you can write like this. LCM 2 how many times comes? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 3 how many times come? 2 times. 3, 2 times and 5. How many times? 5, 1 time. So in this way you can find out LCM. After finding LCM, you can take the situation as required number is equal to LCM. LCM plus 3. LCM is 720 and plus 3. So plus 3 if you are adding that number 723. If you divide by 15, 20, 36 and 48, in each case the remainder will come 3. You can check it. If you want you can check it. You can take any number. You take 723 and you can divide this by 15. You take 15. You can take two numbers as 72 and countable. 15 4 ja 15 4 ja 60. 60. 2 here and 7 minus 6 1 and 3 here. 15 8 ja 120 120. So 3 remainder 0 0. So in each case remainder will come 3. In each case remainder will come 3. So you can see 3 remainder. If you divide 723 by 20, again remainder will come 3. If you divide 723 by 36, again remainder will come 3. If you divide 723 by 48, remainder again come 3. So in this way you solve today example. All the examples, page number 25, 26, 27, 28 and 29 in your fair copy. Not in rough copy. In your fair copy you solve this all examples today. And tomorrow I will explain fair practice number 3i. Okay.